robust movement and maintain the energy, when you put it into a museum context. That's what we're doing, and it seems like they are actually doing that very well, which is exciting. This is the studio. I should also say, in terms of how we work, this is a really interesting project for us because it was a design build, right? The contract, it was actually technically 2 contracts. It was a design contract and then a fabrication contract. We're also doing installation. But we were really able to kind of optimize workflow. In other words, no construction documents, sort of schematic design, design development, build, right? And it requires a lot of trust, I would say, between the client and the design build firm. But if you can make it work, it has incredible results, both in terms of schedule and time, budget, and experimentation, which is what we got the most excited about. What you see in the distance there is the theater, sort of a place where kids can experiment with back-of-house ideas of making costumes or shadow puppets. I believe that's finished now. This was maybe like 2 weeks ago. It was still being installed. But all of them are workshops in one form or another. I'm just going to play a video very quickly for you. Kind of documents the process, and you can see how we're working sort of from our studio to their space. So this machine, which was funded by this incredible walnut curvy wall project, it sort of opened up all sorts of new possibilities for us in terms of other projects. And this is something we kind of remind ourselves of when we think about growing the practice, growing the facilities.